And Eric, let's get back here to the U.S. now, where a battle over Beats headphones is heading to federal court after another company accused the headphone maker of infringing on its patents. This after Apple announced it would acquire Beats for $3 billion. Bringing in our legal panel now, Mercedes Colwin, she's a Fox News legal analyst, and David Schwartz, defense attorney and former prosecutor. Good to see both of you.
Great to see you.
It's a great case. I'm going to go with you, Mercedes, first,
Sure.
because I want to know, how strong is Bose's case?
Well, if we did a word association game and I said Apple, we'd all say computers. You say, when we look at the other case, we say, wait a minute. If Apple's computers, why are they then involved in these headphones? It's all about something like this. It's a very strong case because when you talk about Bose, you talk about headphones. And you look at that complaint, it's a historical perspective on the creation of these noise cancellation headphones going back to the 70s. They went back to the 70s and said Dr. Bose created the headphones for the airline industry. They created the helmets for the Air Force. And it went all the way up to the 21st century and said, we've got 50 years of creating this type of product. Who are you, Apple, the computer guru, to come into and step into our shows? By the way, and they said 36 patents are being infringed. A big deal.
Yeah, it says Bose claims infringement of no fewer than 36 patents and pending applications covering 50 years of design and research. So, I mean, David, the acquisition is not complete yet, but could this affect the sale or Apple's purchase of Beats? And could Apple go to Dr. Dre and partner and say, hey, Dr. Dre, we wanted to buy this great product, but we weren't thinking that we might getting ourselves in legal trouble.
Absolutely.
Here.
A lawsuit like this could affect the deal. And isn't that what that's all about? In fact, Apple wasn't in the computer business once, right? They came into the computer business and took over the entire computer business. So the bottom line is Bose is running scared here. This is not a novel item. A headphone, a noise reduction headphone, there's nothing novel about it. And certainly other players could make the same type of headphone. I don't think they'll be successful on this.
But it's all about the rush to the patent office. And that's where Bose comes in and said, wait a minute, we've been in the industry for 50 years, Apple. We've got these 36 patents. You come on the scene. You give billions of dollars to Dr. Dre. That's not our issue.
You're
that
right, Mercedes, but the bottom line is they have to prove that the patent is novel. So anyone could file a patent. I could invent ice cream tomorrow, and I could file a patent on ice cream. Doesn't mean I'll be successful. So they filed this patent. They didn't invent the headphone. A headphone by nature is a noise reduction element. So I don't think they'll be successful.
You know what? I disagree. There is what's called this noise cancellation, which is an active cancellation product, and that's what Bose claims that they have, that when the noise comes into the headphone, they actually send out waves to destroy it.
By the way, when you put something on your ears, it reduces noise.
Oh, but that's nothing to do with the
I hate to break it.
Wow, that looks awesome.
Sorry, what are you saying? I can't hear you.
You can't hear anymore.
Can't hear you. No. All right, listen, but that's our producer Nick Solon's Beats by Dre headphones. But the bottom line, the lawsuit, by the way, is over the Beats Studio line, which include the new Studio wireless Bluetooth headphones. So, look, you guys know that patent cases take a long time to wind their way through the court system. Do you think there may be a deal settled before it even gets before a judge? I
mean, these attorneys should go in the court and say, listen, this is going to cost us a fortune. It'll cost your client a fortune, our client a fortune. Let's see if we can forge a deal.
Bottom line, will Apple still buy those Beats by Dre?
I think they will, and I think Bose is running scared of Apple, and I'm not so sure there'll be a deal so quickly.
Well, it'll take a couple years, but we'll see.
Oh, you know what? I tried to give you the last word, but women, they're going to take it anyway. Mercedes Colwin, David Schwartz.
Thank you.
Good to see both of you. Thank you very much. All right, Eric.
All right, Arthel. We'll see what happens with that lawsuit.